Okie dokie, it is Sunday, September 12th. So, just finished up with Mr. Burgmaster. Hello, Mr. Burgmaster. How are you feeling today? Did the springs, all the gearing, sensitive controls, the electrical, and all that. The micro switches all done, cleaned, as well as changing rotation of the unit through junction box. Just all you do is just change the wires over and then you got the right rotation. Anyway, check pressure, adjusted the clutching mechanism, and installed the original switch again, which was totally disconnected. Did take out the pump, and really didn't need that for anything. Pump and the light. It was all wrecked anyway, so I just discarded that. But I left the switch in there just in case I need to hook it up someday. Let's see. So they call the control box back here. Well, that's all done, cleaned up, rewired. Those electricians really messed with this thing. Anyway, there's other things I had to do with it too. But anyhow, it works fine. Let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, let's see if our indexer is working. Should be. It's delicate. It's a little slow, but there you go. All these up here you hand adjust it for high speed or low speed revolutions per minute, so that's easy. Nice and smooth, like brand new. No, I just gotta clean it up a bit. It's kind of hasn't been used. Now I also got a vise coming, one of those special Chinese heavy duty ones. So they're well made. I got a few of them. Not a drilling vise, but a milling vise, because they're stronger than an old drill press thing, you know. Let's go up, try it again. Oh, I'm connected. Okay, let's go up. And there we have it. Turn it off by simply pushing this in. You can hear the phase inverter in the back there. So they had the wires, a matter of reversing the motor rotation is no problem. You just switch the two wires from the three wires, okay. Switch these two, whatever. Just look it up on YouTube search. If I knew that a lot, I guess it's on YouTube somewhere, I suppose. So, now next stage, is, as I mentioned, I'll start cleaning this fellow up. It's sitting around for a number of years. Now it'll be used. I'll move this out of the way over there. Put the new vise here, bolt it down. And next project off to the other, just take a look at it. So everything works now. these machines work perfectly. I already use jet lathes for machining parts. Very nice. This fellow is fantastic. All of them. Okay, turn off phase inverter. This guy is working fine, perfect. I made a part for the small shaper with this antique lathe. This is kind of the next project. This is installing a motor now. Also, I got a smaller milling vise to mount on the table here. And then I'll mount the motor down here in a reduction box. Up here. That'll be done. And this guy is done. Just needs the motor attached to it. This is my Pakistan lathe. And what else? I'm building this milling center, or machining center. I got ideas. And then I got this guy repaired, of course. Works great. This one is done. And he just needs a motor too. Although I'm going to put some better blocks under it. Or other things. I might even buy the legs for it and find them. That'll be fun to play with. And what else? Well, next step will be other things, of course, always. Thinking to mount the Oerlikon cannon up here. Get a round plate, 32 inches in diameter. And mount here we go. This up there. This is plywood here, and this is the original plywood. This is steel. It came off a warship. It was meant for 250 caliber Browning machine guns, but I'm using it as an Oerlikon mount. I had it set up in another location, but I want to add one of my bronze mounts. So I got a whole pile of them over here. That'll be more projects. I get all these mounts organized. All solid brass. There's one there with his legs off. I have the legs behind that pile. A 32-inch steel round disc. And at the end of the cargo containers, I can't see it here. You can put many tons on it. It'd be about 1,000 pounds, I guess. Let's see, 150 pounds. Yeah, with shields, we're getting close to 800 pounds or more. They weigh a lot. Half-inch steel plate. These two things mount the plate up there, and also have it going into the slots, some bars and things, and anchor it really well, or weld it. Then drag all this up on the top deck, way up here. The shields are over here. They're very heavy. And you got that, one of those, plus a Mark 14 gun sight, which I'm going to add onto the mount. One of these guys, I got a bunch of those. I don't know, I got 10 of them or something, I forget. And then the air supply, which is, I got a pile of them as well. Oddly enough, I use this in my self-dentistry as an air supply to dry out my tooth when it's filling it full of marine tech. No, I'm not kidding. I'm not crazy. Anyway, so. And then, of course, the cannon is 150 pounds or more. Something like that. Here's a 50 caliber flower mount. Got that from a friend just not too long ago. Remember, send me parts. Artillery parts, machine tool parts, metal. Thank you. So ends Mr. Burgmaster's surgery. And Nancy's uploading more videos. On the adventures of me, I guess. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.